So I got a big, huge squash. It's only 1/4 and I cut already some. I have to peel because the skin is too hard. And then these are other ingredients: asparagus and okra, lemongrass, onions, ginger and garlic, and coconut milk. And also I have here is smoked pound scad comet. So this is smoked fish. So I'm gonna make a ginataang kalabasa with okra and asparagus. I add 3 tomatoes. Of course, you're gonna have to cut your tomatoes. And then we're gonna add the smoked fish. And we're gonna add the coconut milk. Then let it boil. So let it boil let it boil the coconut milk before we're gonna add the squash or pumpkin. And then we're gonna put this on the top. And also, because I have so many spinach, see, organic spinach, it's been sitting on my fridge for over a week, so I don't want to waste it. I think the 1 can of coconut milk, it's not enough, so I'm gonna use another one. So I combine why I'm putting tomatoes on ginataang kalabasa or pumpkin, because you know guys, in the Philippines I came from, my mother is Batangueña and my dad is Bicol. So what I always do, the style of Batangueña of cooking, they always use tomatoes. And the style of Bicolanos cooking, the region 5 in the Philippines, Bicol, I put it together in one dish. So each provinces in the Philippines has different style of cooking. So because I came from, I'm mixed from West and from, I'm not sure if Batangas is East or what. So I always combine the 2 provinces style of cooking. That's why my cooking style is different than others. So let's add more coconut milk to make it more delicious. Wow. That's how I do cooking, guys. Mostly Tagalog people, they cook first in water. But not me, because I'm Bicolana. I came from Bicol. I cook directly to coconut milk. So let it boil. When it's boiling for like 10 minutes, that's the only time I'm gonna add the squash or pumpkin plus okra, asparagus, because this is good for collagen, natural collagen from the vegetables. And also spinach has a collagen, natural collagen. So that's why I'm always using okra, asparagus, spinach, because of the health benefits in our body. So I'm gonna show you when we're about to add the squash or pumpkin. Look at the same color with my apron. So yeah, happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Look at, guys, the effect of my bar soap. I haven't washed my face since this morning, guys. Look at that. See? Ooh, you can tell what you can see on my face. No more blackheads because of my face toner, homemade and organic. Merlinda's face toner, and a lot of people buying it already from me. So thank you guys for buying and for supporting my my small business. It's 5 minutes boiling already. So 5 minutes. Oh, it's soft already, the tomatoes. But of course, we're gonna put some salt to have some taste. pink salt. So I have pink salt, guys. Himalayan pink salt. Siyempre, I need to try. I need to taste it, guys. If it's templado na or tama na yung asin. Sarap. Grabe. Amoy pa lang ulam na. The best. Talaga ang ginataan. So, add the light color, guys, is from the farm in the Washington, US, from my garden. And then, what else I'm gonna need here? I think I have to add some more. So I have some beans, guys. So I don't wanna waste the beans, so I'm gonna add the beans. See, you don't need a knife to cut it. Just use your hands. And then, we're gonna add the okra because I wanna eat the okra tonight and the asparagus. And after that, we're gonna add the spinach. It's like steaming the spinach and the okra. I don't want to waste the vegetables, guys. That's why I'm adding them all. So this is a very good for a vegetarian person that only eat fish, doesn't eat meat. So close the lid. And then after 5 minutes, it's cooked. So, 10 to 15 minutes cooking a ginataang kalabasa with some vegetables. And I have a chickpeas. I'm gonna add this also before I forgot. This chickpeas, guys, is cooked already. So, have protein, complete meal. I don't need rice. I don't need any more to add on it. It's a complete meal. This is the meal or dish that I'm gonna eat. No rice. So, carbs diet after New Year. So now, guys, it's clicking already. When it's clicking faster like that, it means it's cooked already, the vegetable on the top. So we don't have to stir when we add the green leafy vegetables. Just let it cook because the brain of our cooker salad master or the Beppo bulb that seal the vitamins and nutrients is gonna remind you when it's clicking. It means your food inside is cooked already. So you just gonna come and ready to eat. So let's check it out, guys, to make it sure. See, guys? Wow, it's so good. I have gold spoon, guys. So so now, see, it's so good. It's really green. So we don't have to stir it. Even the okra, guys, it's cooked already. See, okra is half cooked. That's what I like on okra. Let's see the squash if it's cooked already. Or the pumpkin. Yeah, it's cooked already, guys, the pumpkin. See, it's soft already. So it's cooked, see? It's cooked already. And now, because it's cooked already, time for putting your black pepper. And time for me to eat and try the food. Let's try it. My God, this is so good. A little bit sweeter, the taste. Wow. so yummy. And yeah. So let's eat, guys. Time to eat. O, diba? Ang sarap. O, may tinapa, smoked fish. There is my delicious ulam. My delicious ginataang halo-halong gulay. Complete meal. Green leafy vegetable, that source of collagen, the spinach, asparagus, okra, and then source of lycopene, squash or pumpkin, and tomatoes, and then we have smoked fish, and also we have protein, the chickpeas or garbanzos, source of protein. You need to eat meat to get protein for your body. Beans, in all kinds of beans, a lot of protein, and also garbanzos or chickpeas. So I'm gonna add more black pepper on my food because, you know, black pepper is good and helps a lot to absorb for absorption of the nutrients and vitamins of your food that you are eating. To be healthy, I eat right, healthy food and cook it in a right way. Healthy cooking, healthy eating, be healthy, and prevention is always better than cure. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Happy New Year.